Hi, this is a demonstration of honeybee foraging for nectar, and specifically it demonstrates a special behavior that honeybees have, which is to the so-called dance that they do to signal to other bees in the hive the direction and distance to sources of nectar, so that they all can proceed off in a group to fetch the nectar. So what we've got here is a situation with 4 flowers in the field, 3 bees in the hive. The hive is the central yellow area. So let's let these bees do some foraging, and it'll stop once they find nectar. Okay, so let's step from this point on. So this bee has found nectar down here on this flower. This bee has found nectar here. This one's still just passing through the hive. So let's step. Here we go. This bee is going to get to the hive first. Now, the difference is this bee found nectar, but there's no nectar left over on the flower. So it got all the nectar, so there's no reason for this bee to do any dancing. However, this bee knows that this flower still has nectar, so in order to increase the chances of the colony finding the nectar, it's going to do a dance once it gets back. So this bee has arrived back. What does it do? It drops the nectar in the hive. That's how it works. This bee is about to get back. What does it do? Drops the nectar, and now the dance will begin. But let's see what this guy, I'll bring that back in a sec. What this guy actually sees while this other one is dancing. So the first step in the dance is orient yourself towards the nectar. So it's pointing directly at it. The next thing is to indicate the distance. So I have it do this sort of arrow thing here. There's actually 2 possible distances, short and long. So it considers this flower to be a long ways away. However, let's look at what the other bee saw, which is the nectar dance direction is southwest, the nectar dance distance is long. So now both of them are informed about the nectar out there. So let's see what they do. They both head off that way. And of course, this one actually found the nectar again. So the interesting thing about this is that it is run by a neural network, a special application of a neural network that I call Morphognosis, which means the shape of knowledge. So it's been trained to do this. So each bee is running a neural network that allows it to actually do this task. And that concludes the demo.